Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a watermark from your photo using AI. And yes, it's completely free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your browser and search for like PDF. And then just click on it. And then go to AI tools and choose AI image watermark remover. And then just upload your image. And in this platform, even allows you to remove watermarks from multiple photos with just one click like this. And then once your photo is uploaded, choose the removal mode or removal method, either automatic or manual. And in this tutorial, I will go with automatic. And then just click remove. And see your photo already clean and watermark free, just like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.